In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix tax settings errors on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Settings section. After that, open the Payments or Tax Settings section where your tax information is managed. Now carefully review all the required fields. Make sure your legal name, country of residence, business information, and tax identification number are entered correctly if required. Even one missing or incorrect field can trigger a tax settings error. If Gumroad requests verification documents, upload the correct documents and make sure the information matches your account details exactly. After updating the information, click Save Changes. Then refresh your dashboard or sign out and log back into your account. In many cases, the error disappears once all required fields are completed correctly. You should also avoid using incorrect business names, fake addresses, or mismatched tax details because this can delay payouts or cause verification issues. If the error still appears, double-check your country-specific tax requirements and make sure all information is accurate and up-to-date. And that's how to fix tax settings errors on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.